The extent of water provided to crop beyond its season is called as overlap allowance. Tintometer is the device which is used to determine color of water in water supply engineering. The period from sowing of the crop to its harvesting is called as crop period. Pre-stressing loss due to shrinkage is equal to modulus of elasticity of steel into shrinkage strain of concrete. Large areas with sandy soil are suitable for land disposal of sewage. In a primary settling tank, about 40 to 70% solids are removed. Rich lime or fat lime is the one which has almost 95% calcium oxide. For durable concrete, the desired water cement ratio is 0.8. The repelling groins on a river at 30-degree inclination repel the water away from the river bank. During a force vortex or a free vortex in a vessel, the rise of liquid along the wall of the vessel is same as fall of liquid at the center. The steel relaxation loss in pre-stressing is about 2 to 8% of original stress induced. Manganese in water imparts the brown coloration to the water. The river turning work helps passage of high flood discharge safely and quickly. A fluid having zero viscosity is called as the ideal fluid. Duty is the ratio of area of crop irrigated to water required for entire crop period. Irrigation done using water at lower elevation than field level is called as lift irrigation. Increasing the quantity of cement in a mix increases its durability and workability. Deflecting groins are perpendicular to river bank and they deflect the flow away from the river. When turbulent flow just starts after shifting from laminar, higher critical velocity is attained.